Welcome to the finish line with Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today I'd like to finish this cute little quilt that I made last month. And I'm going to do free motion flowers, and the flowers are going to fit inside of these little squares. I'm going to do one flower, trail over, and do another flower. So the flowers will just go from one side to another. My goal, if I can do it, will be starting in one corner doing a flower, do flowers all the way, turn, come back. So I'm going to do flowers until the whole thing is done. Well, let's see how I'm going to do. So my flowers are going to stay within these little blocks. I'm going to trail from one side and do a flower. I do want to keep that flower within about 1/4 of an inch and not touch these little stars. So I'm going to go around, do this flower, do a little center, and go to the next one. There's going to be no right or wrong on this. They're just free motion flowers. So I'm going to start by having that bobbin thread pulled up to the top somewhere near the middle of that flower. I'm going to anchor a couple of stitches and then trim that off. I will be wearing gloves, and I have my free motion foot on. I'm going to roll that quilt so it's out of the way, so I will only be working on that one row at a time. I do like to have a pillow sitting on my lap. It sort of extends my quilting space. So here we go. I'm going to start that flower, go all the way around, do a little curl in the center, come out to the next one. So I've gone all the way around. I'm going to do a center and then come out in between one of those flowers and travel to the next square. Now that I'm in this square, I'm going to do my next flower. Get to the center, do that little curl, and come out into the next center. So there was that first flower and the second flower. With the busier fabrics, you're not going to see it as much, and that's going to be a bit of a bonus. So let's get to my next flower. And a lot of the flowers, I'm going to sort of have a flat edge because I do want that flower to fill this square. Do my little curl. I can see where I need to come out here and back into the center. You can really see this flower a lot better. See where the edges are kind of taking the shape of that square. I'm not worried that they're very round. I want more of the shape to fill in that spot. This time I'm going to do that block, and I'm going to trail out to this block. So I'm going to be able to do all of my flowers as I go along. I'm not really worried about the shape. I just want that sort of flower look. So I was able to go all the way. I am on my last square and only had to stop to change my bobbin. I should have checked that in advance. So let me finish off that last flower. And since I don't have to travel, I'm going to stop and bring up my thread here. This is the first time I have ever done this, and I wasn't too sure how those flowers would look with some sort of flat edges, but on the other side, it really does look cute. They look like flowers. It doesn't matter that there is some with some little points. I'm really happy with this. I will definitely be doing that again. Now I need to do something around this border. I'm just going to do a little vein with some leaves off of it. Do a little curve. And something that sort of represents a leaf. I have found that naturally I want all of those leaves going in one direction, and I did add a little bit of a vein in it. When I've come to the corner, I'm going to come over, do a little curl here, just so that I can change directions and start to go up. And now I can get going on the other side. So there's the front with all of those flowers and those leaves. And in the back, you can see all of those flowers with that nice border of leaves. So the little quilt top is now done. It was a fun block to make. I just gave myself permission to do those square kind of free motion flowers. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but sometimes when you give yourself permission just to do what your hands want to do, well, you can come up with some pretty amazing designs. I hope you give some square flowers a try. It really was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. Thanks again for joining me. Bye for now.